Well, yeah, that's the way. I don't know if the girl is ready with the soup and the person. Afunwa, if not gone beyond one bottle, there any problem? There's even
well, I'm not in the mood for
oh wow, good.
You're not in the mood for drinking. Drink that you're not buying. One year when you go back.
Well,
You worried when it was getting late.
Honey, I thought I had friends, but I suddenly realized that I don't have any friends at all.
Talk to me, sweetheart. What exactly happened? Didn't just give you the money you promised?
Honey, if I told you what happened today, you wouldn't believe your ears. Okay, after meeting with Charles and seeking his financial assistance, Charles said I shouldn't worry that we're going to hang out. Okay, I said, okay. And when we got to the joint, we met Ikenda and 2 other girls. They were already tipsy. So we sat with them, we sat together. And my friends, honey, they started ordering for expensive wines, honey. Honey, they ordered and ordered and ordered. And our table was filled with expensive wine, honey. Okay, I got apprehensive and I met Charles aside. Charles still gave me the assurance that I shouldn't worry. Okay, we sat back at the table. Honey, you know, after everything, Ikenna got up and counted 30,000 naira right before me and paid for everything that we took. Honey, after that, he left with one of the girls. Honey, but the part that pained me most was when my closest friend Charles got up to live with the second girl. I was like, okay, Charles, what about our arrangement? Honey, to my greatest surprise, honey, Charles said that he didn't have any money on him.
What?
Honey, that the money he had was the money he was going to settle the girl he's going home with.
Oh God.
Honey, in my despair, Charles brought out 200 naira. 200 naira, honey, and dropped it on the table for my transportation.
Jesus!
Honey, he left with one the other girl.
Jesus.
Honey, he went away.
What time is this? What life is this? Why are you allowing this? Why are you letting us to be left like this? Oh God! Are you not watching? Are you not seeing?
Good morning, honey. Jesus, honey, why the temperature hasn't come down yet?
It hasn't come down. I have to carry her just in case before she was able to find some sleep last night.
What the Ejide, what is it?
Daddy, I'm hungry.
You're hungry.
Where did you get that from?
The money just dropped for me yesterday. I couldn't possibly bought a cab home when I knew I could sell it for my family.
You saying you had to check back home by that time of the night?
Honey, please. Take this money, let Ejide buy whatever this money can buy, so that you guys can at least eat something this morning. It's okay, Ejide. Honey, please, just don't worry about me, eh? Let me just go out there and see what they will bring. It's okay. Ejide, take this money, eh? Make sure you take good care of your mother and your sister, eh?
What's your problem now? I not see you.
Sorry. Please, I'm sorry, okay?
Go on down. It's slow. It's raining now.
You need to eat some so that the drugs and then will work faster,
How is she doing?
She's better now. Trying to give her something to eat so that the drugs I bought for her can work faster.
What drugs are you talking about?
I became scared with the rest the fever was going, so I had to rush to the chemist place, the chemist boy, to get her some drugs. On credit.
And honey, we still owe that chemist boy. Hey, you remember?
That boy is so understanding. I'm telling you, but I told him as soon as he comes back that we're coming to pay off the bill.
It's okay, honey. It's okay, honey. Listen, I will go and talk to him myself. Just don't worry about that.
I know you must be hungry. Let me go and give you something to eat.
Is there anything for me?
Yes, there is food.
Oh.
When I went to buy the drugs on my way back, I saw Auntie Maiden. So after explaining to her, then she gave me some money.
Okay.
She used the cookie. So
it didn't go well. The dealer said I should come back in the evening.
This way inside, let me go and do something to eat.
Afunwa. It's not the time you say this guy. Nobody don't do that. And as they be my organ,
What is wrong with where this guy is parked now?
It's either you promote him or you meet my organ, make una to talk, go to una go use the thing.
Hey, where is that? I don't see anything wrong.
Okay, wait, never mind.
Everywhere. Honey, oh, is that not too hot? I'm taking down to my waist. My waist. Yeah, that feels better. That feels better.
What can one do? This is how I see life.
You shouldn't accept everything that life throws at you. You don't have to waste your youth and energy, especially your beauty, just because you can't break through the barrier of poverty. For heaven's sake, those who don't stay poor are those that want to be poor. So, how do I understand? You have to do something extra apart from the ordinary. Oh, listen, what Chizzy is trying to explain to you is that it is time you move up the ladder. You know, regain your faded glory. Simple, yeah. Come on. Okay. Listen to me.
Kata. Yeah, don't finish it. Where's that engineer?
Oh, in the outside now.
In the outside? Okay, look at the door now. Look at that man.
That's like engineer now. You don't know if you do
I mean, that man waiting inside the car.
Not the boss now. Not chairman. I do this house. No, this one I said. This one I don't know. What's in now?
You go, they come.
We don't play our money again. Go we go see him.
His close friend in a moment of trouble. How soon do people forget? After all I've done for him and for the rest of my friends. But today, I am a nobody and they reject me.
If I don't buy anything, make I come. I won't go for my school.
The thoughts can't seem to go away.
It's okay. I just want you to know that we're into this together. Very soon. Okay? Please. So, come, let me go and get your food. Before it gets cold.
Don't worry about the food for now. I'm okay.
Sweetheart, this is exactly what we said some hours ago. The food will be cold. It's not better you eat now.
I said it's okay. I will eat later. I will eat. What about the kids? Have they eaten?
They've eaten. They're inside.
Okay. What bothers me most is our children's education. They need to go back to school.
I understand. Now what you just said is the truth. But what can we do? We can't do much now. Let's see how it goes tomorrow when I meet the my friend.
My friend, what good can she bring? I mean, honestly, I'm not too confident with the arrangement with her. I'm not.
Sweetheart, she's only told me about a client of Afunwa whom they want me to meet. Probably arrange a meeting with him, something that can fetch us money. That is what we are looking for. Why are you sounding like this? See, if you are skeptical about me going for this meeting, I better cancel it.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Maybe I'm just being too paranoid. It's okay.
So, am I doing this with me?
It's okay. Go and bring it. They're being for me.
Afunwa! You must give me my money today or you leave this house. If you like, hide under the bed. I'm not leaving until you settle me. Where are you? If you like, hide under your bed. You must give me this house. You must leave this house. Afunwa! Afunwa! You must pay me my house rent today or you pack out of this house.
Afunwa, open this door now! Open this door!
Landlord, good morning.
What's that? Hey! Where is my money? That's what I do.
But Landlord, I thought you promised to.
Promise what? Look, Afunwa, I did not come here to listen to any stupid excuses from you. Eh? Go inside that house, bring your 6 months house rent immediately.
Please, I'll pay you your money. I will pay. It's just that I don't have it yet.
Pay. Oh, you don't have money. You are still living in my house. Afunwa, let me ask you. Do you think that the money I used to build this house will block from you? Is that what you think? Yeah? What is this?
I'm going to give my daddy money to pay you. Please, you surely pay you, sir.
Man! Your father is a habitual debtor, which everybody in this vicinity knows. Why will he pay me?
Listen, Landlord, I promise I'll pay you by this month end. It will not pass this month end, please, Landlord. Just give us this one last grace. Please.
You've just said it.
Yes.
Afunwa, the reason why I'm giving you this grace is because of this arrangement. But if by month end I do not receive my money, I don't need to tell you what will happen.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Afunwa, I don't know why each time we come to me for help, I'm always short of cash. What do I do? What about Charles? Have you called him?
Well, I called Charles this morning and his phone was switched off. And when I went to his house, I met his gateman and he said Charles traveled.
What about the Venus?
Ikena, I mustn't go through my entire retinue of friends before I can get help. Must I? Please help save me and my family from possible eviction by my landlord. Please.
Afunwa, you're sounding as if I don't want to help you. I want to, bro, but I'm in a predicament too. Part of the goods I ordered from Malaysia will be seized by custom officials. I need about 1.8 million to clear up the goods. Presently, as I talk to you now, I don't have any time to effect that move. I feel your pain as a friend, but I'm incapacitated to help at the moment.
So, what you're trying to say is that you cannot help me, right?
What I'm saying is that there is no time, there is no money to help you. I don't have money. If I have money, I will help you. But there is no money. Let's go to Onuigbo, bro. Excuse me. Hello? Right. Okay. How much did he pay you? 2 million. Oh, well, the outstanding is supposed to be at the tune of 3 million naira. Okay. Oh, you need to note that, okay? See, you should send it. My last right. Okay. Take care. Afunwa, it's not easy. I should be giving you money all the time.
Your child is not going to die, okay? Besides, you will go home tonight with something good, some good news. So let your mind be at rest, okay? Who is the person we are here to meet now? What's keeping them? Why are you getting all worked up? Eh? I said you should chill, okay? Nothing mega. Relax. Are you sure you won't take anything, even water? I don't want anything. Hi, ladies! Hello! How's the Maiden?
Thank you very much.
Hey, baby. Oh, no.
Hey.
This is your face like this. Okay. Huh? You're not looking bright at all. Cheer up, eh? Nothing maker. Not everything will be settled, okay? Doctor, these are my friends.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yes, so that was Uzoma once.
Hey.
Yeah, the lovely Amazon with an amazing charm.
Hey! I can see that.
Yeah.
I can see it written all over her body.
Yes, nice meeting you.
Open up very, very hot.
Hey. Nice meeting you.
Dr. Taufik.
Oh, nice. Over here is the shining beauty.
Hey! Wow! I can see. She's quite a beauty to behold. Eh? But as I'm seeing her, I think she needs some precautions all over her body. The way I'm seeing her dresses. Eh? But kilo ruba no. Oh, it's a beautiful name. The name is beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, please don't mind me. Sometimes my mouth can be too wide. I am Dr. Taufik.
Yes.
Dr. Taufik is my name.
Yes.
When you hear Dr. Taufik, I'm the only one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I trust you. I'm
the only doctor.
Not at all.
But, wait a minute. What is happening? Eh? Do you mean that you ladies have been on just one bottle of wine before our arrival? Eh? I don't like barren activities and the table is barren.
Yes, sir. What's doctor talking?
Yes. I cannot be somewhere.
Wait for what? Wait for what? I'm asking you. Mama, so this has been your plan all this while? To sell me
Cheaply? Hi! Ifoma, was that the business you said you're gonna introduce me into? Home prostitution? Ifoma, God forbid. Hey! Why are you reacting like this? It's just a harmless gesture and... Ifoma! You just called what happened out there a harmless gesture. Hey! Ifoma, you expected me to hop into bed with another man who is not my husband? God forbid. Ifoma, I am not that kind of woman. I am not a prostitute and I don't intend to be one. If you don't want to help me, keep it! Ebele, why are you sounding like this? It's for your own good. And Dr. Tafik is not like that. He's a very nice man. He can change your situation without batting an eyelid. He won't even ask you for anything in return. Ifoma, thank you very much. Save your breath. I am not that kind of woman. I would never do that. I am not a prostitute. If you don't want to help me, Ifoma, save your strength. God in heaven will help us out. But you see this? I can never do it. Ebele, think about your life before it's too late. Think about it.
Like, what's wrong with you? It's okay. Yes, don't cry outside, okay? Let me take you. It's okay, yeah?
Life has not been getting us well.
It's all fine. Hold yourself, okay? Don't worry yourself. I'm here for you.
My children.
Calm down. There is nothing that cannot be solved. Relax.
You don't understand. You don't understand.
Alright, take this, okay? Manage this with your kids. Let me drop you off. Don't leave there, get whatever stuffs and all that for your kids, okay?
Thank you.
Now tell me, why would I shout at you? Imagine you a married woman, you left your home and a sick child in the daytime, returning home by this time of the night. What do you expect me to do? Call for you? Look, don't tell tell me that? What stupid explanation are you talking about? Okay, you went to see your friend Afunwa and you stayed out there all day long. What if I didn't come home and met this girl convulsing? What would have happened? No, tell me, what would have happened?
Why are you shouting? Why are you making this in scenes? I just went out there deliberately, just to run away. What are you even saying?
I'm still waiting for you to tell me what went down between you and Ikenna.
What are you insinuating? Afunwa, look into my eyes! And the people just said, leave my name out of my head now. Just say it again. Look into my eyes and tell me you are suspecting me and your friend. Just say it.
Honey, please wake up. I want to talk to you.
What if you want to talk about this thing?
I'm sorry for my reaction and outburst earlier. You know, I wasn't really thinking straight. And everything boiled down to the, frustration I felt. I'm so sorry, honey. Okay?
You almost killed me with those insertions of yours. How could you even think such about me?
Listen, I was blinded with anger, okay? And for the fact that you met Ikenna, which was part of the reason why you came back late. And to say the least, I'm trying so hard not to be pissed off about him.
I understand. Don't even hold it against you. To the truth, Ikenna is still your friend, no matter what. Remember, you have been a forgiving time, which is one of the things I've learned from you for the little years we've been together.
Yes, honey, but sometimes, it's very difficult to face the challenges it poses, to your selflessness.
It's okay.
They really dealt with me. My friends really dealt with me.
It's okay. Forgive you. So can we ever do without this little inner results? Can we?
It's okay. It's okay. I'm so sorry. Come on, let's go to bed, okay?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody. Where is your mother?
She went down to buy some things.
Okay, Did she tell you what she wanted to buy?
She didn't say anything.
And where is your sister?
She's inside, still sleeping.
Okay.
Daddy, I'm going to go back to school.
Just don't worry, okay? Very soon, you and your sister will start going to school, okay?
Okay, but whenever I go outside, I see children my age in school uniform. They're all going to school.
Good morning, you're welcome.
Thank you.
What did you go out to bed?
Let me just get to the kitchen so I can use my breakfast this morning. You cannot get me some minutes.
You did?
Yes.
Why didn't you tell me last night?
Sweetheart, with that tension, how could I have? And the heat was much too. Yes, I have cleared all our debts. But the Kenny's guy, I'm a young worker, so we are free now.
How much did you give you?
Just a little thing to clear up. Give me 5,000. Why that sound?
Honey, I'm just wondering how thoughtful it was of Ike not to have given you more. When he cannot help me outright as a friend.
What are you trying to say?
Oh, honey, it has nothing to do with you, don't worry. Honey, I read from the newspaper today that government have come up with a free education policy.
Eh?
I'm telling you.
Hey! Are you serious?
Honestly.
Oh God, I thank you. I thank you for this new government.
Yes.
At least my children can go back to school. Hi, I thank God. God, I thank you.
Thank God.
But Mommy, is it an Afunwa private school?
No! This one is a public school.
You know about my friends. Stanley, Kevin, and Justice. Am I not going to see them again?
Don't worry. It's not as if you won't be seeing them again. Don't worry, you'll see them.
When am I going to see them? I missed them on the bed.
Sweetheart, I want you to understand one thing. Yeah, Daddy does not have me. And that is why you have not gone back to school all this while. But right now, the public school is the only option until whenever money comes. And we promise you that as soon as money comes, you will go back to your former school, the private school.
Yeah.
Okay?
Your mom is right, okay? Honestly, I thank you.
Afunwa. Hey, Mama. Afunwa, what's up?
I'm okay, my brother.
Hey, wait, let me park well.
No, Charles. There's no need for that. See, I was here last week and your gate man told me you traveled.
Oh, yeah. I went on a business trip. Sorry I didn't tell you, okay?
Oh, okay. It's okay. I actually thought as much because I tried your line severally, but it wasn't going through.
Yeah. Don't mind me, bro. You know, my number is not on email, you understand? So whoever tries me that period cannot get through.
Oh, okay.
So what's up? What's happening?
My brother, a lot has been happening. A lot, so much, my brother.
Hey, Afunwa, it's okay. Actually, right now I'm rushing to a meeting. Why not come in? Let's talk about all this in the car, okay? Yes, man. You were saying something?
Yes, my brother. See, my landlord is on my neck right now. And he has given me an ultimatum of ending of this month to pay the balance of my 1 year rent. Failing which, I and my family will be thrown out. That is why I've been trying to see you all this while.
Honestly, Afunwa, I don't really know what can be done to end this your financial insecurity for good. You see, it hurts me so much to see you in this kind of situation.
My brother, what can I do? It's only God that knows the best. I don't sleep at night. And in the morning when I wake up, I feel so depressed and weak.
It's natural for you to feel that. When you're the man whose house is on fire doesn't go chasing rats in the house.
Charles, you've not said anything about what I just told you.
Oh, don't mind me, bro. You see, I am really thinking of what can possibly be done to help you. Anyway, let's get to the place first.
Where? Your meeting place? Come on, Charles. You know I cannot go there looking like this.
What's wrong with the way you're dressed or the way you're looking?
What are you talking about? See you, see me now. The difference is very clear.
Do you rather dress in a fine linen to a place of sorrow than to wear rags to a domain of wealth? Anyway, you can choose for yourself.
Guys, I'm thinking about something. I think I should step up my game. I guess it's high time I took exporting politics.
Okay. No, wait, who knows you in this country? Huh? Do you have a godfather? You want to do politics?
My friend, go and sit down. One day forget about godfather. Okay, Godfather know the rain again, brother. I will use my money and get what I want. Very simple.
It's okay. Maybe you go for the chairmanship.
Emana, any no weed about you. I can see you guys are underestimating my financial capability. But don't worry, I will surprise you all.
Nobody is underestimating your financial capability. I'm an Egypt, Manibutika, whom I gave you a Zuma. Better think twice. Can we make chances with what I'm going to wow. Why is Charles doing this, man? This guy should leave us alone and go with people in his class. Should leave us alone. Let's just bring him here.
I don't have any money to give anybody. I don't have any money to give any beggar.
My problem now is that his presence here is one hour.
Hey, Baba.
What's up?
What's up now? We've been waiting for you for ages. What happened? I want to get sit down.
Afunwa, this one that your face is so tight. What is that? Are you the only man that has problems? Come on. You need to relax. Problems come and go. We are here to have fun. So relax. Feel free.
Enjoy.
Flex, man. Freestyle. Now talk to this man. I've told you that no condition is permanent.
Well, I appreciate your words of encouragement, but what does he amount to if that man in question is not getting any help from his friends, especially when the need arises most?
And I will answer you that here is not the right place to talk about all this. We are here to have fun. If you don't want to join us, you go back home, please. Bad girl, come please. Thank you. Ask them what they want. You ready?
Just get me a glass. Let me drink to this.
I'm asking what he wants to take to, because I'm sure he may not be cool with this kind of drinks.
What do I bring for you, sir?
Different of life.
Fine. Okay, no, now what do you expect? Okay,
I'm okay, it is here. I want to go.
On my fault. What should I tell you?
That's true.
Life is bad. It's it in our life. I'm not here.
Afunwa, my man. All is well.
Charles, what is going on? I mean, I don't understand. I don't see any reason why I should be here anymore.
Afunwa, what is it again? Is it about that you are?
Charles, what have I been telling you?
Okay, relax, we'll see to that. Well, let me keep this conversation. Hello? What's your regard? You?
Gentlemen, please, I need to answer the call of nature. I'll be back. Let me close this.
Afunwa, do you need more drinks? When they come, what's up? Hey, you need to sure. Oh. Okay. So, where are you presently? Yes. Tell him to drop you at Summit Junction. I'm coming right away. Yeah, very well. Okay. Yeah. Gentlemen, I have visitors. I need to pick them up. I'll be back soon. Alright, cheers, man.
Move on. You need to lighten up. Understand me? Relax your nerves, man. Problem comes and goes.
Levinus, just let me be, okay? All you do is talk, no action. And yet you guys claim to be my friends. Let's just finish making his call and come back here. I want to leave this place.
Okay. From all indication, I think you need to be left alone. So no matter what's coming on.
Where are you going?
I'll see you. You want to be left alone, so I'll see you.
How? Am I supposed to pay for my drink?
They paid for what they took, remaining meals is sad.
Wait a minute. Are you trying to say they've all gone?
They've all gone, as you can see, sir.
This car has been identified as a stolen vehicle.
Hey, madam.
You are under arrest. I'm taking you along to the police station.
Hey, I'm one, madam.
You are here talking to You don't steal car?
I don't steal
Yes, you
car.
stole a stolen car. Who is the owner of this vehicle? Mr. Man, who are you?
Hey,
You are the owner of a stolen car. You are going to the station.
What are you talking about?
By the time you get to the station, you will explain yourself.
What are you talking about?
I said go to the station and give this
What is it? What's happening?
My husband has returned.
Have you called his numbers?
I've been calling his numbers. He's switched off.
I thought I heard from him a few hours ago. Are you sure you called his numbers?
I called, he's switched off. Please, I want to leave my kids here with you. Let them stay here with you while I go out there to search for my husband.
Where are you going to look for him now?
Maybe in a couple of friends. Let me just go out there. I need to get my husband.
Please be careful. Be careful, I beg you. Be careful. Take it easy now, stop running.
Madam, look, young lady, you cannot sit down there, crying endlessly all day when you can do something to save your husband from this precarious situation.
What can I do? When your men have refused to listen to me, what do you expect me to do?
My men can never listen to you, except I give the order for them to do what they are supposed to do. You seem to forget that. You seem not to understand the gravity of the offense your husband has committed. Listen to me. Kidnapping and armed robbery. These are two serious crimes you can commit under the law. And you know it.
My husband is innocent. He is not a kidnapper. Neither is he an armed robber. You don't understand it.
You may have to prove that in the law court. But seriously speaking, you can do something. Cooperate with me. You can make sure that this thing does not get to the law court. That's the truth.
I don't understand. What do you mean by me cooperating, as in my cooperation?
You and I know how it works in this country. You rub my back, I rub your back. Oh yes, listen to me. I am in charge of this case here now. And I can use my influence and my office as the DPO to get your man off the hook. All you need to do is cooperate with me. That's all.
DPO, I will never do what you're asking me to. If you're going to sit down there and watch the innocent man die in cell because you are in power, oh, DPO, just know that my God in heaven is watching you and me.
Don't bring God into this. It is you. It is you who does not want to help this young man. You just want him to rot there. You have to help him. Little cooperation, just little. Cooperation, that's all. And I like
DPO, I would prefer my husband going to court to prove his innocence. I will never jeopardize my womanhood just because of my husband, who I know he is innocent. I will never do it. I will not do it.
I'll give you the options.
I'm sorry, madam, but Mr. Geoffrey is no longer here. He relocated long time ago, and the effect to that notice has been here for a long time before it was finally used.
You see that you don't have his present location as where he is right now?
I don't. I can't readily recollect because I'm not conversant with the happenings in his office. But don't you have his contact, a home address or something?
I should have called him, but I lost his contact long ago. Right now. I don't even know what to do. Where do I go to forget? My husband. Okay, thank you very much, my brother. Thank you.
Yes, once you have money, you are at the liberty to do whatever you desire with it. Yes. It's okay, it's okay. Next month? No. I will not be free next month. I'll be traveling to the States to see my people. No problem. Yes, I'll remember that. Okay. Alright, talk to you later. Bye. Ebele, the charming queen. Sorry for keeping you waiting. What do I have for you?
Nothing. Please, Mr. King. I prefer you address me by the prefix Mrs. instead of the way you just addressed me.
Come on, save me that myopic view of yours. What's wrong with me addressing you by your first name instead of Mrs.?
Because I'm a married woman, a friend to your wife, and also your friend's wife, sir.
Here you go again with all this your sir. Can you drop it, please? How is my friend, Afunwa?
He's reasonable here.
Okay.
He was arrested yesterday by the police.
Arrested? For what?
It had to do with the vehicle he gave to his mechanic to help him sell. The police is claiming somebody identified the vehicle as a stolen vehicle. And that the vehicle was used for armed robbery and kidnapping attack of recent. I don't know.
It's not a big deal. So what do you want me to do then?
Please. I need somebody to help me bail my husband, my friend.
No problem. Which of the stations is it being held?
Central Police Station.
Central Police Station. Okay. So, it's okay. What's the matter with you, baby? How? The last time I met you crying on the road, I helped you. Also gave you money, which obviously I know you didn't tell your husband because he never acknowledged it. That's not a problem with me. My issue here is, despite the green signals, you still don't want to meet.
Mr. Ikenna, please, I resent those words coming from you. I'm your friend's wife, for Christ's sake. And also a friend to your wife. I don't expect those words coming from you at all.
I know. I'm not against that. Just for us to calm down. Nothing. Just trying to make you understand the fact that a lady of an inestimable beauty as yours have the value and the capacity that can fetch you real money and change your life for good. Instead, you choose to beg, when men should be the one crawling at your feet, hoping and seeking your attention. What's wrong with you? Think.
Mr. Ikenna, you've just insulted my pride and honor as a woman. Just because I came to you to help me bail my husband, your own friend? Mr. Ikenna, I don't blame you. I blame the circumstances that is putting me through all this right now.
Calm down a bit. I'm ready to help you. I will help you. Just allow me, Hurry. I will get you. Gabo baby, if you don't have money, I can something. I will surely get you.
I want to say thank you once again for coming to bail me.
It's okay, bro. What are we friends for? It's okay. DPO. Thank you so much for your cooperation.
No, anytime now. We are friends.
I appreciate your concern, sir.
Anytime we do. What are we friends for? Now you know now, as usual.
Thank you, sir. We're about to go.
Okay.
You can send your boys to come and meet me for.
Oh, correct. That is why I always trust you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Rejected by our landlord.
When now? Let me take the check.
Auntie Mary today.
okay.
Auntie, we begged one of our neighbors to help us to keep them in their house. They will come and get them.
It's okay. It's okay. Come, let's go inside. My house will continue with us. Huh? Get it? All of us can stay together in my house.
Auntie Mary, thank you.
Take the sugar. Let's go inside. Sugar inside.
I love you.
Please let me call you back. Afunwa, what is wrong? You're not looking too good this morning. Eh? Yeah, man. You look as if you didn't sleep last night.
Charles, I just got off police night. I wanted to get back home to meet my landlord, throwing out my properties. As I'm talking to you right now, I and my family are homeless.
My God.
Charles, that which I feared has come upon me.
So what about your family?
My family are my neighbors.
This is serious. So what are you going to do about it now?
Charles, I don't know. I don't have any money on me. I don't even know what next to do. Only to turn to you, my dear friend.
Oh, excuse me. Hello? I thought I told you. What? When? Shit. Afunwa, I have to rush on. One of my boys on transit has just been arrested by the authorities. And the ghost is carrying what fortune. I really need to see to his release today. I'm not taking this boy, oh? When I come back, I will call you so that we'll trash out this your issue. Eh? You understand? So calm down.
Just listen, you don't understand.
When I come, I will call you.
Just, I don't have time. Just,
don't worry, I will call you when I'll call you.
Just listen, you don't understand, Charles. Charles! Listen, I don't know what to start.
Yes, my man. I don't believe in half measures, okay? I need to open that house in a grand style. Just give me the best you can provide. My friend, calm down. Money is not a problem. Give me the best you can lay your hands on, okay? Okay, fine. And what about the event planners you told me about? Okay. Make sure they are the best though. And I will see you at the club tomorrow to effect all necessary payments. Or hold on. I will do a mobile transfer to you this night. I'm going to alert. Yes. I'm going to alert. You'll see it this night. Okay, I'll call you as soon as I do that. Alright, all the best. Bye.
Hello.
Good day, sir.
Good day, Rebecca. Is your boss in?
Yes, but he's with someone.
Okay, you just have to let him know that I'm here. It's very urgent, okay?
In that case, let me know the call.
Okay.
Sir, I'm not sure he's going to be the call, but let me go to his office and inform him that you're around.
Alright. Let's make it fast, okay?
Alright, I'll be back.
Anụ a na-agba egbe
ka ije
ọ na-ata nri
agụ
ọkwa gị
ka ije
afọ na
I'm fine, brother. I'm just getting ready for my housewarming. Hope you guys are preparing to come for my housewarming.
We are preparing, my brother. We are preparing.
And I know this time you will offer me an aircraft as a gift. I'll
pay for it. You need to convert this your house to an airport.
Okay.
I can never get a salon one.
You're welcome. You're welcome. What do I offer you? Rebecca.
Sir.
Any problem?
No, sir. It's Afunwa is here to say.
Afunwa? Which Afunwa is that?
Sir, you're a very good friend. Afunwa Eke.
Come on.
No, this guy, I work with Dolly. I
don't get it.
You know, he was in my house telling me about his landlord evicting him from his house. I have to discharge him sharply. Now he's here again. Yeah?
Did you tell him I'm around?
Yes, sir. But I told him that you're son.
Okay, fine. Go out there, tell him I'm busy at the moment and I will not be free for the next 9 hours. Eh? I will call him once I'm through. Just go.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All the time, money. I got off here.
Okay.
My dear, let's talk about my household.
I'm sorry, my boss is very busy at the moment and he couldn't be free for the next 9 hours.
Did you tell him I'm the one?
Yeah, of course I did. But I said you have to go like whenever he's very busy. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. Has it gone?
Yes, it's gone.
Okay, fine. Alright. Thank you.
Everything's no problem. Okay.
It's gone, right?
Your state has gone.
Nah, man. Only have this one state, man. Now, this Afunwa and his habit of begging is becoming too much.
My brother, the thing I handled. You know, the other day I was at the station to bail him just because his wife does not have anyone else to do that. I had to bail him because it required no money.
Oh, forget him. Forget I know you were. You did it because no one is. You've always had eyes on them. Don't tell me. Ikenna. That is wife. That is wife. It's really a knockout.
No be small knockout, my brother. That girl's waist can make a monk to reconsider his celibacy. Sometimes I wonder why she's still wasting her time with that pauper called Afunwa.
What else if not love?
Love indeed. Let me tell you, bro. That girl is too sweet. Too sweet to be suffering the way she's doing now. It's just because of her that...
Yes, I know all that. Let us go back to our previous discussion before you start checking yourself off over another man's
Hey!